Hello, everyone.
Here I will share my experience in stacking photos.
When you have free time, you can try it and play with your family and friends.
Don't be intimidated by the current situation.
Before shooting this instructional video, I tested it about 7 or 8 times. I thought it would be easy. However, the main problem.
The 4 sides extending from the center intersection.
The problem of uneven length. After a day of practice, I finally found a solution. First, build a 5-layer base. If you still don't know how to do it, please watch the last video. Are there 5 triangles? Now we find the middle one, the one inside. The 2 inner corners on top. Cover it on top of this middle one. And continue to stack the other side in the same way, in this way. We will get a cross with 5 triangles horizontally and for triangles in the vertical direction. Okay, now let's start the second layer.
Now I will teach you a technique.
When we are folding this,
Don't stack the bottom layer like I did just now.
start with the stack on the edge. We should start from the middle. Start from the first and second. Start from the second. Try to finish the middle first, and then add the sides. For example, fold this one first. First stack the middle one, then the sides. It's relatively easier.
This is what I just figured out this afternoon.
Okay, so when we build the sides,
It will be relatively simple.
now let's look at this side. There are 5 triangles at the bottom and 4 on top. But if we look at it vertically now, below 2 and 4, there are only 4, and a horizontal one in the middle. It's the intersection above. There's no way. We can only see this one sharp angle. The sharp angles, this can cross one side, and the other side can cross one. We need to connect them together.
We need to build it on these 2 corners.
The 2 bottoms above are adjacent to the 2 tips below.
They're off or below, and a structure across.
It's 5 in total, but if I build 2 on this side, there will be no distance. There will be no distance. You can only build 1. Leave a gap in the middle. See, right?
There is a gap left in this place.
Hey, do you still remember what I said? Build the middle first, and not the sides. Three triangles. When we are making, we can ignore the distance and let it stand up. Then we can adjust it in the middle. As long as they are connected, we can make a fine adjustment.
Now, we do the same thing.
When the 3rd layer is vertical.
Is the same as the bottom. We can build a triangle.
Because we left a space in the middle just now.
Now we need to remove this piece.
Just lean against the 2 cards inside on the corners. And top the 2 cards inside at the corners. Then its distance will be closer than the bottom.
1 card's distance.
It's a clear teaching.
Those who walk by river. You can't avoid it. But this time, it's not just wet shoes, but also my pants.
It's been happening again and again.
It's too bullying.
Guys, don't be intimidated by this. It's just that my table is too slippery.
Okay, let me speed up. Finish building the first 3 layers.
And we'll continue learning from the 4th layer.
Tell you all, when you put this card down
You must cover this one and this one at the same time.
and press it down when he's not paying attention.
This is the method I have figured out.
The finishing, place a card on top of this one. And the back also has a card on it. Lean on it.
Then add a cross to it.
Okay, now it's the last step. The last step is to put the 2 cards on top. Okay, like this.
You have completed a 5-layer cross pyramid.
Many friends are teachers.
And staff in nursing homes who want to learn it.
Then private message me and let me make some teaching videos.
So friends who are interested can learn together.
Thank you for your support.
See you in the next
Video